What's up, guys? Brittany here with Thumper Fab, and the time has come. I finally am able to release this bad to the bone, fully thumped out Can-Am Defender Limited. So I have Roy here with HE Powersports. His reaction this morning was priceless. I FaceTimed him yesterday, and I was like, hey, you want to see something cool? And he was like, there's a bear poop in the woods, you know. Anyway, so you're here. It's done. Tell me what you think. Give me your thoughts on it. Be honest with me.
What's going on, Brittany? Thanks for having us out. Thanks for doing this crazy build. Over the top. They let me share my ideas from the beginning, and hey, look how it turned out. I mean, everything that I'd thought of, they put on the unit. Long travel, portals, wheels, tires. I mean, color matched absolutely everything. Illusion cherry powder coating matches the unit perfect. I mean, it sits. Hey, I wanted to do a build that was actually practical. I didn't want to go 40s, 50s, crazy big tires. It sits absolutely perfect. Come around to the front, check out this stance. This stance is amazing. The black bumper, the accents, I mean, this build turned out phenomenal, just like we wanted. I mean, the audio in this thing, off the charts. I've seen a lot of roofs. This one does not compare to the rest. It's off the charts, it's unbelievable. These wake tower speakers in the back, I mean, they're just nuts. Everything flows, the bumpers, everything matches. I couldn't be happier. Brittany with Thumper Fab, JC, Aaron, everybody at Thumper Fab, absolutely phenomenal to work with. Couldn't express my gratitude even more.
So Broken Bow, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
You came to Texas. We made your vision come to life. But now I need to know and tell the world a little bit about HE Powersports.
Hey, HE Powersports started out in Henrietta, Texas. That was our first store. Now we have 2 stores, just like Brittany said, Broken Bow, Oklahoma. So hey, they're 4 hours difference. We'll cater to anybody. The sky's the limit. Honestly, here's an example right here. We have PWC. We have 3-wheel on-road stuff. We have off-road stuff. We have boats. Hey, we can do it all. I'm the service director with HE Powersports. Hey, you bring to me an idea, I will make it happen. I mean, look at this. They did an outstanding job. Thumper Fab, hey, we'll work together on it. We'll build you your dream bike.
So if you want to figure out ways to thump out your Defender, just like the one behind us, check out HE Powersports or get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trails.